Hey guys, it's Truman from 4Runner Lifestyle. Today, due to high demand, ARK has created these ARK mud flap deletes. We're going to be installing these today for you. If you want some of these, go hit the link in the description below. We'll show you how to install it. All right guys, opening up this package, you can see how simplistic this install is actually going to be. It just comes with one passenger and one driver side replacement. This is going to fill the hole that removing your mud flap would create. And then it's super nice, they provide replacement hardware and clips to replace the OEM ones for a nice black sleek look. They'll sit super nice and flush with the mud flap deletes. Hitting back on the fact of the difficulty in this install, you can tell this one's gonna be super easy. We just got a 10mm bolt today and then a flathead screwdriver. This or a pry tool. Ideally you'd use a pry tool, but today we're just gonna be using a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so coming in closer on this product, you can tell this is a very high quality kind of a automotive grade plastic for these. It's kind of like an OEM mud flap, a little bit more rigid. This is gonna go slide right behind where the mud flap usually is and then flush nice around the bumper. Just looking for a nice clean look. These three slots right here are gonna be clips for us today, and then these three slots are gonna be screws. So we wanna keep that in mind when replacing the ones that ARK has given us, and we'll show that up close for you as well. All right, so like I said before, these three right here are just clips that can be removed with a screwdriver or a clip remover. Just gonna come in here, stick the edge underneath the clip, get that popped up on all sides. All right, so these can 100% be a pain to remove depending on how old they are, but ARK does replace these for you, so you don't have to worry about breaking them or anything like that. Okay, so there's gonna be 4 10mm bolts to remove. When replacing them for the ARK mud flap delete, you're only gonna replace 3 of them. These 3 are gonna be this top one, this middle one right here, and the one all the way at the bottom. And so we'll show you up close, but you just remove it by taking your 10mm ratchet socket. Move them like that. Even if you have just a Phillips head, that can be done as well. Okay, so we got those 4 bolts removed. Looks like we have one more. It's just underneath. It's right in the middle. We'll show you where it's at as well. Okay, so now that we got the OEM mud flap out, as you can tell, the ARK mud flap delete is a lot more durable. It's gonna take a beating a lot better than this OEM one. And it just looks a lot cleaner. It's gonna black it out and has the ARK logo at the very bottom, so it looks super sleek. So we'll throw that in with the new provided hardware, and we'll show you how it looks. All right, so we're just gonna take 3 of the 6 provided clips that come with the kit, line up this mud flap delete, and we're just gonna put in the clips first. And so it's gonna be these bottom 3 on the far side. Just gonna line these holes up so they can go in flush and go in much easier than they come out. Okay, next up, just as easy, you just take 3 of the 6 provided 10mm blacked out bolts right there. Just gonna throw them on, starting with the top. Okay, and now the middle one. And then the one in the very bottom. All right, so we just got done with the passenger side and it went on super easy. We're just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the driver's side and then show you how it looks. All right guys, that's the install. It's actually super easy and we really enjoyed installing these today. If you want a pair of these, just go in the link in the description below and pick up some of your own ARK mud flap deletes. These are super sweet. And take a look. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch other install videos that we do all the time, just go hit the subscribe button below, like and comment on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.